Well, what do you know? I wasn't recording, so let's go through this again. Hello, let's continue on our tour around the altcoin world. So right now, it's Saffron Finance's turn. And as you can see, Saffron Finance bottomed down here at $265. It has broken through this resistance and it has gone on a ride up. So this is one of the coins that it's already too late to join right now. We're gonna have to wait for it to cool down before we could join. But I want you to see something. I want to see that when we get near the 100 DMA, it's one of the points where the coins have a little trouble, but once they get through, they really push through. And you can see how Saffron Finance pushed through the 100-day MA. So a lot of the coins are doing this. This is one of the coins that's leading, performing ahead of the rest of the pack, and we can use it to generate insights of what's going to happen in the future for some of the other coins. Let's look at GRT, the graph. This is one of those coins that's very important. It has very strong fundamentals. A lot of the DeFi platforms are using the technology built by the graph. And as you can see, we bottomed around this area of 50 cents. So this is our bottom. And right now, Saffron is trying to build upon this level at 62 cents. So this would be a very nice level to join because the upside is up to the 100 DMA is 23%. Then the next levels of resistance are at 42 and at 76 and then 135. And to the top is something like 300%. You can enter and have a stop loss right here at 62 cents. And we could capture a lot of the upside with GRT. Wood Trade is a deep liquidity platform. It's an exchange. It's Woo is holding strong at 37 cents. That's the bottom. Right now, the next layer where it's trying to build strong support is at 60 cents. So this is an area where you could enter as close as possible to 60 cents. And we would expect Woo to try to break this level of resistance that coincides with the 100 DMA at 74 cents. If we do breakthrough, you could wait for the retest and then enter. And the upside on this coin from that point is 45% and 80%. Scale Network. Scale Network is also a DeFi play, and I like this one because it bottomed. Basically, you can see how from the point it broke out during the alt season run, it retraced all the way back. We had a touch here, and then we had volume, we had a rejection to the downside, and we have started to staircase up. You see, we're trialing right now on top of this diagonal support line. Right now, we're facing this. We're using this as support, so we can enter here, and we have a short stop loss down here at 25.24 cents, and we have this upside possible up to this resistance of 18%, then 30%, then 46%, and 61%. Next ones would be 113, 158. 200, and if we took it all the way to the TPTP top, it would be 354%. I like Scale. This is a nice play. If Bitcoin behaves and contributes, well, if Scale Networks moves to all-time highs, it would represent a move of 345%. Badger is one of those DeFi coins. The platform is supposed to build around Bitcoin, and they're trying to make Bitcoin stronger and have Bitcoin participate in the DeFi world. This was an airdrop. I bought the coin at around the $5 level. I didn't get the airdrop because I wasn't participating in the DeFi early on, like Compound and Curve and all those platforms, the traditional ones, like the older ones, the first ones. So I didn't get it, but I was able to buy it around $5, and I rode it up all the way to $63, $65. I sold there. Then it kind of pumped a little bit more, but since then it's been correcting. But it seems to have bottomed at $6.61. As you can see, it wasn't able to make a higher high ever. It also broke this very long-term diagonal resistance from here. Then there was another one over here. We broke out of that one, and right now it's following Bitcoin's path. So you can see that we have basically 10 days of growth. Then we're being rejected here. Now this is turning into support. So let's hope that the $10 level can hold as support. If it does that, then Badger is poised to continue riding its uptrend. And as you can see, we're building in this level between $10 and $12. $10 and $12. So Here we go. And if we break this, we're gonna be able to turn this one into support, and our next range would be between $12 and $15. And the upside in price for that is 25%, 54, 90, or 100%, and even higher, because this is only up to $24. The thing is, you could enter here and have a stop loss here at 11.75, and if it hits the stop loss, well, you wouldn't miss anything. You would have another entry, but if this starts going up, you're going to have a 100%. You're going to have a shot at 100%. Let me refresh. And if Badger were able to go to its previous all-time high, it's 626%. So this is a very, very interesting play in the DeFi space. Okay, look at this. This is basically bottom. This bottomed all the way from $85 to $6, 90%, 92%. So, and we can see how the volume is starting to creep in. Positive volume, positive volume. So there is interest, definitely interest in Badger. Okay, so that's it for this segment. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep them coming. Let's see how many I can do. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through all the tabs I have open in my browser. Yeah, I have some stuff to do, other stuff to do. I'm just gonna do one more segment. I'm gonna do like the traditional altcoins. I'm gonna do Litecoin, Neo, some of those oldies but goodies, okay? And then hopefully tomorrow I can continue on this tour around the altcoin world. Thank you guys for watching.